Ay, 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 ay. What is happening, everybody? Lots of pain in the markets. Lots of pain. Lots of not love. Lots of poo poo caca. Oh my God. All right. So, what are we going to do today? We're going to talk about the stock market and stocks and everything else. Listen, if you're a Winnie baby and you want to sell during these times, just delete the app. Forget about everything else. Go watch movies, go play some soccer, go do whatever you want, but do not sell. If you're in margin, it's a different story. If you have cash money in the market, you keep staying there. All right. Now, it's tough. I do. If you guys have any questions for me, hit me up. I'm checking up right here to see if anybody's here. Well, hit me up if you have any questions. I'm gonna look at some stocks. I'm gonna tell you what's up. I'll show you some things. So have a straight mind here because it's tough times, but we'll survive. We'll survive, people, and better days are coming. So let's see. What do we have here? Well, Tesla is down. Everything is freaking down. It's unbelievable. Like if I go to, let me see if I can go to Trade Desk, Trade View, whatever it is, Trade View. Okay, that's the first live stream anyway. So everything. Oh man, the pain is real. Let me log in here first. Then, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We got pain. We got pain. We got pain. We got pain. What's up? So let's see what is going on here. Let me show you what's up. We have Tesla down freaking, I don't even know how much is down, 7% today. We got what else? You know another company that's very low today. Let me switch to my computer so I can show you. Another company that's crazy low today is this one right here. It's called Arrival. Like everything else is into like penny stock territory. Hodl. Okay, so that's another stock is very low today. It's crazy. Like everything is down. Apple is down. Let's see what else. It's insane. 2%. You know, these funds are down. Like I bet you like GK, and I love this dude Ross. Like the 3-month chart, they're down like 17%. Even FFND, you know, down 24%. It's crazy times, people. But all right, let's see. So let's keep a straight head and let's talk about it. All right. So first of all, if you guys can hear me, let me know in the chat so I know you can hear me. What do we have? The situation is tough now. Not tomorrow. Wednesday, Tesla's earnings is at night, and an FOMC meeting for the Fed is on Wednesday night too. And this is something that like got us in the crosshair. The market has some pain now. Now, long term, there is going to be a rally. Now, how long can this go on before the rally happens? And the answer is nobody knows. But you have to be in value companies. And now you see there is mid cap companies, there is small caps, and then there is high caps, meaning like Tesla is like a high cap company, a mid cap is something in the middle, and then small caps are all these lemonades and all these other companies. Let me show you another company. Now, I want to show you something to compare, right? To make it fair. Let me show you something to compare here, and then I'll get back to what I was saying to you. So look at this. So we have Lemonade, right? If I go, I love this company. That's an insurance company. Oh my God, it's so cheap. So look at this. It's been up to like all-time high 72, 73. Now it's down to 26. Like, let's see what else. I showed you Arrival. Well, oh, Palantir. Everybody talks about Palantir. I mean, PayPal must be crashed. It's insane. 156. PayPal is holding up too good relatively. All right, so PayPal has been up on from all-time highs. It is down now about maybe 20%. What else we got here? Another company I like is Nvidia. I love these guys. How are they holding up? 216. Oh, man. The pain today is unbelievable. It's sad, but it's unbelievable. So, should you be scared? No. Should you be pissed? Maybe. But that's life. Economy goes through cycles, just like everything else. So you have to accept that. Now, could we have prevented this? Now, I don't think that's going to be a big crash. I don't. I think that's a 1 month crash and we're going to have some small rallies. The issue in this market is that this has very low conviction. Every time you see a rally, and I'll prove it to you by showing to you, every time you see a rally, then right away you see a sell off because people, the moment they see a rally, they just start selling off. It's insane. The moment they see a tiny little return, they try to sell off right away. Let me show you so you guys have an idea of what I mean about like selling off the rally. Hold on. All right. Let me go back to my computer so you can see. Like this has been a convictionless market. That is the issue of this market. People don't have enough conviction to hold, and then that's why people keep selling. Now, if you go to let's do a Tesla. My favorite stock is Tesla. Everybody knows that. So the conviction here is very low about every single company in the stock market. This is the issue. All right. So if I go here, I run this thing here. Let me know if in the chat if you guys are watching. So let's find Tesla and let's do a 1 month chart. Look at this. So we had a great run in December, and then look at what I mean by a convictionless market. The moment you get a little dip, like it keeps dipping because people are selling this. They're selling the rallies. They don't have any conviction, especially after January 13th. The moment the stock runs a little bit, they keep selling. It runs a little bit, they keep selling. It runs a little bit, they keep selling. And then it runs a little bit more. People don't have enough conviction in the market to believe that, this is going to be a good year. Because, and this is caused, by the way, let me go back to me. This is caused by the fact that people believe that the Fed is going to be too aggressive. People believe that, there is too many new investors in the market as well. Too many new investors that they have no idea how to handle this. And this creates an issue. This creates markets that they just sell off right away. But you have to hold. If you have cash in the market, you have to hold and have some more cash available to invest as well. This doesn't mean you lost any money. If you don't sell, you haven't lost nothing. If you don't sell, you're in the game and you're waiting for better days. Now, people that they try to time the market, that's impossible because you have to be right twice. You have to be right the time that you buy, and then you have to be timed the time that you sell, and then you have to be right the second time, which is the time that you buy again. So that's impossible. On times like this, there is nowhere to hide. Let's see what, by the way, I didn't even check. What is Bitcoin doing? Let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Oh, man. I love Tesla. That's such a juicy price for Tesla. Such a juicy price for Tesla. Yeah. Wow. Bitcoin. It's oh man, days like this are insane. But I gotta tell you, like this. Let me put it back to me. I gotta tell you, days like this are insane. But the thing is, if you stomach this, the returns are amazing. If you be a little weenie baby and you sell on days like this, we have issues, man. You have issues. You shouldn't be in the stock market if this gives you stomach problems. All right, you should hodl, and if you have more money, buy more. Don't be afraid. This game is built on trust. This game is built on, people in the government, they have money in the stock market. They believe in it. This game is built on people taking care of each other. But you have to, invest in good companies. Don't go out there and invest in freaking penny stocks and then hope you're gonna do well. In a bull market, everybody seems like a genius. And what is a bull market is when everything goes up. In a bear market like this, where you're about to enter now, we have issues. It's tough. It's tough, but you guys can do good. Buy Tesla, buy Nvidia, buy all these great companies. In April, oh my God, I cannot believe. I love that. And you should feel grateful that we're alive during days like this. All right. We are alive during the era. You'll say this to your grandchildren. You'll say, yo, I was alive when Bitcoin was at $33,000. What about Ethereum? What are we doing with Ethereum here? So Bitcoin is at 33. Let me see. What about Ethereum? Unbelievable days, man. Wow. Ethereum is down another 10%. God. What about the S&P 500? SPY. S&P 500. All right, that's an ETF. What about the actual S&P? What do we got? Yeah, 2% down. We have issues. What are they saying at Bloomberg? Now look at this. Stocks, bye-bye. Stocks tumble. I mean, wild swings, wild bonds rally, market wraps. Oh my God. Pain, fear. Let me put it back to me. Oh man. There is an ETF. I'll show it to you and tracks the fear in the market. It's called Buzz. I think I'll pull it up now. It's so funny. It's so funny because days like this are a great opportunity for people that they are not in the stock market to start investing. And another thing is in the peak of the market where the fear is the maximum. I'll draw a graph for you right now so you guys can get that. The maximum amount of fear is where you should start investing. Because when people are afraid, they will sell everything. They will do everything for the quick cash because they think everything goes to zero. Don't lose it. You're better than that. You are better than that. Okay? Hold the good companies. I promise you, you'll make a lot of money. But you need stomach and you need cojones. You guys know what's cojones? Google it. Okay. So I hope YouTube doesn't flag me about this word. Do you think YouTube speaks Spanish? I don't know. So anyway, let me go back here and show you the Buzz ETF. Okay, this is hurting. You know what else you can do if you guys want to invest somewhere right now and you don't feel comfortable? You can invest in QQQs. You know what's a QQQ? Actually, you need the inverse, so you need the S-ARC. All right, let's pull this one up. Okay, that's something that's doing good today. You see, we find something green today. So this is inverse leverage. This does the opposite that the ARC ETF does. So if I pull the ARC ETF, which is Cathy Wood, she used to be a goddess back a few days ago, but few months ago actually. So if ARC goes down, the S ARC is the inverse of this, right? And this does good. So this is like shorting the market without really shorting the market and just buying an inverse ETF. I don't know why this doesn't work the way it's supposed to. It doesn't work to. Okay, it doesn't want. Okay, so you see, this is an inverse ETF. All right. Now you have to be careful because if you have a good market, this is gonna go down and then the ARC is gonna go up. But this is a good idea to kind of short the market if you want short term to raise some cash. Now, what should you do? If you are in margin, you should pay down your margin. If you have cash in the market, delete the app and wait. Wednesday, Tesla has the earnings. I've been saying this for months. Wednesday's earnings are going to be a big deal. They're going to make big money. Maybe some of this has been factored in the market already. And, we're in the crosshair of this Ukraine thing going on. And then we have this, interest rate hikes. But believe in this market. I'm telling you, if you want to sell right now, you're realizing losses. That is the mistake everybody makes. Stomach this, okay? You got to hold. It's okay. You don't have to sell tomorrow. You can sell in April or May because then we're going to have this all over again. Because in March, we're going to have the first interest rate, right? And I've been over this to one of my past videos. You guys can find it. Well, I am talking about how on the third interest rate, this is nothing compared to what's going to happen when the third interest rate happens. But we've been over this again. Now, this shakedown, because this shakedown is caused by many factors. First of all, is the first interest rate hike. That's on March, but we'll have a month till March, so we might get a rally. Just remember to invest in good companies. This is the biggest issue here. Don't go for the Palantirs. Don't go for freaking whatever it's going on in Reddit. Go for value companies. You won't do bad. Go for Google. You can even go for, what is Airbnb doing today, actually? I was looking at Airbnb the other day. I have to look into their financials a little bit more, but Airbnb. Airbnb is at 141. It's down 9% today. That's not a bad company, you know. Airbnb is a good company, and it's what is the all-time low? Let's see. The got a market cap of 80, almost 90 billion. The high today was 151. The week low, okay. So their week low, it's 129. You see here, not bad, not bad at all. Wait and see for this one, but Airbnb is a good company too. I want to show you. Let's see what's up in Twitter, by the way. What is going on here? Huh? Twitter, Elon Musk, our boy, the boy that's gonna bring us to Mars. We love Elon. I'm telling you. I sleep and I try to buy Tesla. Woo! We got some good news here. Damn, man. Look how sexy that looks. Look how sexy that looks. Don't tell me that doesn't look sexy, please. Oh man, oh man, oh man. What's your thoughts on the difference? Very minor. Tesla kept it true, its form, cannot wait to take delivery. God damn it, that's such a sexy track, huh? What do you guys think? Oh man, oh man. What else do I have here? Let's see. Twitter. If you had any doubt what the hell is going on, there you go. That's all the companies in the stock market. Let me put it back to me. So if you had any doubt, right? If there is anything green, I'm gonna pull up again the companies in the stock market. Check this out. The only thing is up is Tumus, which I don't know what that is, but oh man, God bless this country, man. All right, hold. Let me put it back to me. Hold. If you have more cash, get it ready to deploy it. Don't be a weenie baby and cry and sell. You know, losers do this. We hold, we make money, right? So there is another one. Hold on, where was this one, man? Oof. Check this out. Many people, you know what that is? That's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. Oh man. You know, Gary Black. I don't know if you guys know Gary. Gary Black, I'll put his Twitter account. He's a fund manager. He holds FFND. I hope you guys can hear me. He holds FFND, and that's the ticker symbol for his fund, right? So he does this great analysis, and he has some more cool info to see, and I'm gonna pull them up right now. But so Gary Black says that Bitcoin is an ultra long technology asset, and I agree 100%. People want to call it DeFi, and it is, no doubt about it. Like no bank controls it, and like all this. I don't even know enough about Bitcoin to start talking nonsense, but it is, and it acts like an ultra long technology asset. That's how it acts. When technology sector is down, Bitcoin is down. It's a fact. I'll pull it up now. You guys can see that. By the way, if you have time, smash that like button. Why not? It's our first live stream. How you guys feeling today? Nobody says hi. Tell me hi. You one person that watches. Hi. So let me see. Okay, Gary Black. That's his name. What the hell? Search. Okay, Gary. Come on, Gary. There you go. That's a bull, because he believes in bull runs. Let me look zoom this in. Okay. Oh, he has a new price target. Oh no, that's not new. That's January 18th. All right. So his price target for Tesla is 1,600. I would say my price target for Tesla is 1,400, but he's more bullish than me. Gary puts Tesla at $1,600. Good money. So back here, big disconnect between Tesla earnings revision and stock price at 46%, 2023 EPS, 50% volume, plus EPS growth between 2021 and 2025. Huge runaway, the adoption 7% to 30% by 2025. Tesla is way too cheap. Listen, people, this guy manages money for a living. Tesla is way too cheap compared to Amazon, Google, or Facebook, right? So Tesla is the name of the game. Now, here is what okay. So let me find, where is that chart I saw that. All right, there you go. Look at this. Well, let me read what he says to you first. Okay, says Bitcoin isn't a currency. Few use it as a medium of exchange. It's a speculative asset that derives value from its network size. The more people own it, the greater its value. Without earnings, cash flow, which because let me put it back to me, man. So the more he says that Bitcoin is not a company that produces cash flow and doesn't produce product. All right. So that's what he says. The more people own it, the more it increases its value. You know, that's an opinion. Now everybody has an opinion, but I like Gary. I respect Gary and Gerber too. Roche Gerber. Gerber Kawasaki. That's his name. I think I'll put him up too. These guys know what they're talking about, so you guys should follow them on Twitter. But yeah, so look at this. So without earnings cash flow, he says it's a long duration asset that falls when the rates rise. So when the rates and when we are talking about rates, they're talking about the Fed fund rate, right? What is the Fed? Let me pull the 10-year treasury, actually. 10-year treasury. All right, 10-year treasury. So this is how you know you're screwed. Okay, yeah, sure. Let me put it back to me. Come on, man. Well, the 10-year treasury, it's 179. You can 1.719. Back to main. Okay. Continue to side. There you go. So the year treasury is 1719. Now, here's the thing. When the 10-year is falling and everything else is falling, you know that that's a bad sign that something is going wrong in the stock market. What is Tesla doing now, man? Come on, let's see Tesla. Tesla, what you doing? 874. Oh, nice prices, man. Nice prices. You know what is the bigger question here, guys? Since I decided to go live, the bigger question is: should you buy this now or should you wait? I would say wait a little bit. I would say if you hold, keep hodling, and I would say wait, see what happens tomorrow. And after tomorrow, we have another, like I said, good news. Obviously, that the earnings Wednesday afternoon. That's a big earnings week now, because the stock market is in the poo-poo toilet. That's not gonna move the prices too much. What's gonna move the prices too much is so from now till March, people expect in March the first interest hike. After March, I think we're gonna have a good rally where you can unload plenty of money. Now, from now till March, we don't really know what's gonna happen. So you gotta be smart. You gotta keep adding to position when you see good pricing. Tesla, Nvidia, Enphase is cheap as hell today. Oh my god. Let me pull up Enphase. I cannot believe how cheap Enphase is, people. Enphase today, it is at when it doesn't want to cooperate, I hate it. All right. Okay, there you go. We got it to work. So Enphase 117 is bouncing back, huh? Wow. So at the all-time low, it was at 113. What is the 52-week low on Enphase? 52-week low, 108. Wow. Okay. So we got something to go, maybe. So the way you do this, by the way, if you guys have Robinhood you are on the Robinhood desktop thing. Down here, it says market cap. It says price earnings ratio, dividend yield. They don't give any dividend, average volume. So the average volume is 299. What is the volume today? The trading volume. Oh, you have to be logged in to see that. Well, I can tell you the trading volume. If I pull this up. All right, so the trading volume of Enphase on Robinhood, usually Enphase, it is, all right, so today we have a trading volume. Let me pull it back to me. So the trading volume today, I don't know if you guys can see this. Well, it says 1,376,000. So it's lower than the average trading volume. Okay, what else can we look? I'll have to show you something on my tablet. That's the last thing I'll show you, and then I'll say bye-bye. But if you guys like this format, I'll be back here. Times like this, it's where fortunes are made. Times like this is when fortunes are made. Do not forget that, people. Do not forget that. So, Enphase, we checked. There is another company. Harley Davidson. I love these guys too. Harley Davidson, Hog. They've been doing good. So Harley Davidson is another company I like. All right, and they've been holding up very steady. Like that's a smart buy here. You know what else is a smart buy that I want to show you too? Like, look, they're up here at 38, another 35. Not too bad. Not too bad compared to everything else. It's 9%. What else I wanted to show you? How is Google doing, by the way? Google 25. Ay, ay, ay. That's cheap, 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 cheap. Oh man, I'll show you something about Google now. All right, let's do this. Let me show you something cool. I'm gonna put this to my tablet. Let me go to my whiteboard. Give me a second, right? 1 second, people. No rush. No rush. So let me get this out of here. So let me open you this. Okay, can you guys see this here or no? Let me actually, why don't I put it on my end? Yeah, there you go. What's up? So, are you ready to see some cool stuff here? This is my tablet. I hope you guys can see that. All right, there you go. So you guys can see that now, right? This is my tablet. So the first thing I want to show you here is the following. Here is how a good investor invests. Let's make a chart here, and let's say that we put, so this is gonna be our fear. All right, that's fear. And then this, it is gonna be the price of the stock. Stock price. All right. So now what we have here, as you can see, if I can underline that, once the fear is at its maximum right here, the stock price is at the bottom. So what a good investor should do is the following. A good investor should have a feeling for the market and see what is going on and start investing when the maximum amount of fear is in the market. Does times like this remind you of maximum amount of fear? And the answer is yes. Now, when is the peak? Nobody can tell you, but you have a feeling. If you don't know anything else about investing, buying cheap, buying stocks cheap, or buying the dip, or whatever else, all you need to know is when the fear is at this maximum point is where you plow money in the market. All right, that's all you need to know. You don't need to know nothing more. So, I'll show you one more thing. Let's go here. All right, and let's pull Google, but I'll pull Google from, well, I can do this with many companies. I want to do with Google because Google is an old company, and older companies, they tend to be better than new companies when it comes to comparisons. So, did it just break something? Yes, I did. Okay. So, Google. Google stock. There you go. Let me show you something. Maximum. All right. You guys see this now? Let's say, and I love showing this to people because it shows you the value of investing, the power of investing. All right. So now you can see here. Look, let's say, in 2000s, there was a mess you didn't know, but let's say that you heard about this good company that's called Google, and they got their stuff together on September 1st, 2006. Maybe, let me give you an example. Let's say that on September 1st, 2006, all right, the price is, all right, hold on a second. Hold up. Like I said, no rush. Okay, guys. So let me move it back to my tablet. So September 1st, we said 2006. Let's see what we got. September 1st. So the price. So the price is September 1st, 2006, 189 and 40 and 30 cents. Okay. So that's September 1st, 2006. So now that I made a note of this, let me go back to me. Right here, it's me. So on September 1st, 2006, the price of Google, that was Google, was $189.36. Now, over time, and that's the most powerful ally you have in the stock market, it's time. Okay. Let me move it back here. That's what I was talking about, by the way. So September 2006, the price of Google was at 189.30. So the most powerful friend you have in the stock market is time. So the time in the stock market, right? Now, Google was at 189.30 in 2006. Now, Google, let's say that you waited, or if you had a baby, right? If you had a baby and you put 10K for that baby as a fund for your child. You put $10,000 and the price of the stock was 189. So let me do some quick math here. All right. Let's pull up the calculator. Calculator. There you go. Calculator is right here. All right. So I'm going to bring this here, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that, but hope you can. So there you go, calculator. All right. So what do we got here? Here we got, we're gonna put $10,000 for our baby divided by 189.30. That's the price of the stock. So $10,000 divided by 189.30. That's 52.82. Let me put it back to me. 52.82. That's the amount of stock you got. I hope you're following me. 52.82. That's, you have pretty much 53 Google. I know you love my handwriting, don't you? Stock. So 53 stocks of Google. If you sold this, all right, let's go back to my computer. If you sold this thing here, guys, let's say you sold it around here, which is August 13th. August 13th, 2021. 2021. The price is 2754.55. Okay. Let me change the camera for. I need to find out how to do this faster, but so guys, there you go. The price of one stock, it's $2,754.55. And we own 53 of those stocks. So if I put it back to me, and then we're going to see what's the difference in time. But if I put the camera back to me and we do a recap one more time. On September 2006, you bought $10,000 worth of Google. That gave you 53 stocks. These 53 stocks, each of them now it's worth about $2,700. So if we do some simple math, meaning $2,700 times the 53 stocks you owned, all right, let's pull it up here. This is going to give us 53 times 2,754. This gives us, and I'll show you real quick here, camera 2. There you go. That's my calculator. $100,000, $45,962. So 100,000, 4,5,962. Now, if this is not an eye opener to you, you leave money for 15 years, 16 years in the market, and with $10,000, you can make it $150,000. I don't know what is. You just need to place good bets. You just need to place good bets. Like I said multiple times, the way to make money, it's real estate and stocks. There is no other way to make big money here. and I know that's a peak of the fear market and all these things going on. You leave the money in, you're rich if you place good bets. Forget about what's going on today or tomorrow. And there is a lot going on, by the way, too. If you want to be rich, you stay in the game and you place good bets, technology bets preferably. You see who's in the lead. Tesla is in the lead, by the way. Hint, hint. And this is what's up. This way, a $10,000 investment can pay for your child's college. I, I don't want to tell you about anything else other than buying a house, or like, you can make investments that they have real application in life. Forget about the fad, forget about the fluffy stuff, forget about a nice car, forget about vacations. Just a small investment with 10 years in the market can make you rich. That's all you have to know. Forget about this trade in and trade out and buying the company you heard on Reddit and buy that company you heard on from your colleagues. Place good bets. Be a smart investor. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Today is a live stream, not a video. I love you guys. I hope you guys smash that like button. Thank you for being here. Ooh, I have a comment. What does it say? Let me see. Let me see. What do you say to me? Who are you, person? Hold on, hold on. You say, how many parts of the movie Twilight for the correct answer? Okay. How many? How many? Anyway, best, thank you for the comment. We appreciate you. That's a 30-minute live stream. Damn. We popping. Oh man, okay. Stay strong, stay in it, be smart. If you have margin, pay your margin down. I'll get back to you. I'll be up here. We're fighting together. We're in this together. Hit me up if you have any questions. And smash the fear. Forget about smashing the like button. Oh, and by the way, the best time to do this. Hold on. I didn't do this. I didn't do this today. Smash that like button. Tesla cyber whistle. Believe in Tesla. Elon Musk is our daddy. He's going to bring it home. Okay? He's like Tom Brady in the Patriots era. He's going to take it home. Okay. I love you guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for joining. Don't be afraid to invest. And the only way to realize losses is by selling. Be in it to win it. Catch you on the next one.